Hi, I'm Mark. Are you ready for an easy English story? Listen and learn. Tonight I eat dinner with my wife. We sit together at the kitchen table. Outside rain falls softly. The street is quiet. Suddenly the lights go out. Everything becomes dark. My wife feels scared. What happened? For a moment we do not move. The house is very quiet. I can hear the rain outside. I take out my phone. I turn on the flashlight. My wife asks if something is broken. I stand up slowly. I can barely see anything. I carefully walk to the hallway. I look at the circuit board under the stairs. I check the switches carefully. Everything looks normal. Nothing is broken. I feel confused. I check the switches again. Still nothing. The house stays dark. But then I look outside the window. The house across the street is dark too. I put on my jacket. My wife follows me outside. We walk into the street together. The small shop near the corner has no lights. The traffic lights are off too. Others stand outside their homes. Phone lights shine in the dark. Everyone looks confused. The whole street has no power. Usually the street is bright at night. Tonight everything is dark. A neighbor tells us there is a power cut. Nobody knows when the electricity will return. My wife still feels nervous. I feel a little nervous too. The rain becomes stronger. Cold wind moves through the street. So we return inside. My eyes start to adjust to the dark. I find 2 candles in the kitchen. Soon, small warm lights fill the room. The house feels calm. We sit down again. We smile. We eat dinner quietly. The rain outside sounds peaceful. Without phones or television, the house feels different. It feels relaxed. It feels warm. My wife smiles at me. I smile too. We finish our dinner quietly. Then we walk to the living room together. We spend the night talking on the sofa and listening to the rain outside. Today the lights go out during dinner. My wife feels scared. I check the circuit board, but nothing is broken. We go outside together. The whole street is dark. There is a power cut. Then we return inside. We light candles. We eat dinner together. The house feels warm and peaceful. Thank you for listening. Watch another easy English story and continue learning.